A son is charged with killing his mother.
The young man's attorney saying the son thought she was a stranger breaking into their home. Fox News' Patrick Clark has the investigation from Olivet.
Thursday morning, Olivet police respond to a report of a shooting at 7:20 a.m. on Huron Drive in Olivet. Upon arrival, officers discovered one female victim, 56-year-old Monica Johnson McNichols, who suffered a gunshot wound. Olivet paramedics on scene attempted life-saving measures. However, she was pronounced dead at the
Shortly before 7:30 a.m. on March 7th, the Olivet police were called to a residence in the following reports of a shooting. Upon reaching the scene, they discovered an unconscious adult female within the residence. Welcome to Off the Wall Crimes, Lost Souls Edition. Hit the subscribe button and bell to be notified of more Off the Wall crime stories.
It's just that, it's tragic. I mean, from what we've been able to gather so far, it sounds like mom was coming through the back door, which was unusual. It sounds like they felt like there was an intruder entering the home, and when no one answered, he went in back and fired shots, and then discovered it.
56-year-old Monica Johnson McNichols, tragically identified as the victim, was pronounced dead at the scene after succumbing to a gunshot wound, despite efforts from paramedics to save her life. According to documents from the St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, Monica's son, 25-year-old Jalen Johnson, allegedly shot and killed her as she attempted to enter the back of their residence. Jalen's father promptly dialed 911 and informed his grandfather, expressing disbelief over the incident. Jalen's girlfriend, present at the time of the shooting, claimed she tried to assist Monica after she was shot. Police expressed concerns regarding Jalen posing a threat to the community or others based on the circumstances of the shooting. An attorney familiar with the family suggests that easy access to firearms, whether for protection or otherwise, plays a significant role in such tragic events. Jalen, described as a college athlete with a promising future and no prior criminal record, reportedly owned a gun for self-defense following a previous robbery. The attorney also believes Monica would have wished for her son to lead a successful life. Just a day after the incident, the attorney represented Jalen during his initial court appearance. Jalen Johnson, aged 25, faces charges of voluntary manslaughter and armed criminal action. He is currently detained at St. Louis County Jail with a bond set at $100,000 without the option for a 10% payment. A bond review is scheduled for March 13th, and the case is still in progress. There are many things to learn from this sad event. It highlights the importance of effective conflict resolution within families. Had there been open communication and a willingness to address underlying issues, this tragedy might have been prevented. The ease of access to firearms, regardless of the reason, can lead to devastating consequences.
According to Jalen Johnson's defense attorney, William Goldstein, his client mistook his mother for an intruder.
It's just tragic. I mean, Jalen loved his mother and his mother loved him.
Goldstein says his client has no criminal history, is gainfully employed, and will appear before a judge next week for a bond hearing.
He's a mess. He's a mess. I think it's fair to say that he really hasn't stopped crying since this happened, since he discovered that this was his mother.
Patrick Clark, Fox 2 News.
And I got a frantic call from Monica's father telling me what happened.
It was a call for help. And attorney Will Goldstein answered to assist a family he's known for several years.
They're a very nice family.
Goldstein is now representing 25-year-old Jalen Johnson.
Thought that there was an intruder coming in through the back door, and he fired shots. And this whole thing is just tragic, and Jalen hasn't stopped crying since.
Police say they believe the defendant poses a danger to the community based on the context of the shooting, but more details weren't disclosed.
You know, as long as we have this easy accessibility to guns in the community, whether for good or bad, whether just to defend your premises or whatnot, unfortunately things like this happen.
Safe Connection works to reduce relationship violence that can look different in multiple scenarios.
I think it's hard to know who to turn to when you're in a situation like this. First of all, do you want people to know maybe there's some feelings of shame?
They want to remind people there's always help.
No one thinks this is going to happen to them, and we hope it doesn't. So please reach out before it reaches a point of grave danger. Reach out when you're getting concerned and when things are starting to feel a little out of control or.
This incident underscores the need for responsible gun ownership practices and stricter regulations to prevent similar tragedies in the future. There may have been underlying mental health issues that went unaddressed in this case. It's crucial to recognize the signs of mental distress and to seek help or support when needed. Families and communities need to provide support systems and resources for individuals facing emotional or psychological challenges. Creating a supportive environment where individuals feel comfortable seeking help can prevent such incidents from occurring. Families and communities need to provide support systems and resources for individuals facing emotional or psychological challenges. Creating a supportive environment where individuals feel comfortable seeking help can prevent such incidents from occurring. The legal proceedings and charges against Jalen Johnson serve as a reminder that individuals must be held accountable for their actions. Justice and adherence to the law are crucial for maintaining societal order and preventing further harm. Overall, this tragic incident underscores the importance of conflict resolution, responsible gun ownership, mental health awareness, support systems, and legal accountability in promoting safety and well-being within communities. I'm deeply saddened by the news of this tragic incident. My heartfelt condolences go out to the family and loved ones of Monica Johnson McNichols. Such a loss is truly devastating, and my thoughts are with all those affected by this tragedy. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of addressing conflicts within families and communities with open communication and understanding. It also underscores the need for responsible gun ownership and stricter regulations to prevent similar tragedies in the future. Furthermore, it's crucial to recognize and address mental health issues and provide support systems for individuals facing emotional or psychological challenges. Creating a supportive environment where people feel comfortable seeking help can make a significant difference in preventing such incidents from occurring. I hope that justice is served and that this tragedy encourages us all to work toward promoting safety, well-being, and understanding within our communities. Thanks for watching Off the Wall Crimes, Lost Souls Edition. Please stay safe out there, and see you guys in the next video.